Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden. Just drawing this cute little laying down kitty. Just kind of really roughing the shapes in, keeping it simple. I got it at double speed, and I'm voicing over. Just let your cat become what it is. I'm not worried about this cat ending up looking exactly like the cat in the photo. I just want to capture the essence of cat. And if you want to draw your own cat and make it look like your own cat, I find that just drawing this way anyways, most of the time my cats that I draw end up looking like the cats that I happen to live with at the time. Just because I'm so used to them, I guess. And it seems like every time I lose a cat and then get another one, my cats, it's not long before they end up looking like the cat I have at the time. And yes, I've sadly lost a lot of cats in my life. They live such short lives, don't they? I like those really quick lines sometimes. It really helps add expression. And less is more. Don't want to distract the viewer's eye from the important parts, so I'm not filling it up with a whole bunch of details. I love to hear from you, and especially I love to learn what kind of cat drawing you want to do, because a lot of times that's where I get my ideas, is from people's comments. Or you can just tell me about your cat or where you live in the world. I just love to hear from you. Just a hint of pupils. And the learning from these quick little drawings is so valuable. You can carry it all forward to your more finished pieces on good paper. I like that expression. Just a suggestion of tabby stripes. You can take a drawing like this in any direction you want to. Not much luck with erasing this pencil. But I do erase minimally anyhow. A few wiggle lines in there. I love those little tufts at the end of the ears. And some whiskers. Thank you so much for watching today.